Which one of these do you relate to? This one, that one, or that one? Or this one? These two. Cleansed my hair, conditioner. So I just want to add some more water, add more product. A little goes a long way. Have you ever had certain areas that don't easily curl, that don't easily coil? So those are the areas that you would want to do to shingle like this. So you help it by shingling like that. But for other areas, I just rake like this, and that is it. So I'm just going to sit on the dryer. You can also let it naturally dry if you don't have a dryer. Okay, so this is my day 3 wash and go, and I'm trying to fluff it out. This is like a $200 wig or weave, and your hair is saying, no, you don't have to buy the weave. Neither should you install the weave. Please just feed me right and see what I give you. Curls are popping, we have volume, body. Do you even know how this feels in your own hair? So that's how our product reveals each and everyone's coils, curls in a beautiful, natural way. So you can see the curls don't look exactly the same. Each one has her own beautiful curl pattern. So you realize as days go by, your hair gets bigger and bigger. That's when you want to experiment with different hairstyles with a new wash and go until you're washed there. So how do you maintain your wash and go to last longer? A week, 2 weeks, or even a month? If a wash and go is not your kind of hairstyle, please stay tuned for our next hairstyle with our product.